The Crusaders is now reloaded and revved up to deliver more in tackling administrative and societal injustice, protect your fundamental human rights, and give you a voice. Join the Crusaders live, share your problems, and let us help you have a happy ending. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Crusaders Radio, or call us on 070-5877-7944. The Crusaders, giving humanity a voice.
Yes, country people, on a good morning this morning, and welcome to the Friday edition of the program, The Crusaders. My name na Otache, na me be the Chief Crusader, and like una know, Friday na the day where me like where, that's why we dey say TGNF, that is, thank God, na Friday, and na with the glory and joy and the mixed feeling and the mixed reaction. And him I take he enter inside the studio this morning, but inside all I carry joy and laughter take he come. Friday morning na him be the matter. Oh yeah, make una enter inside Facebook, make we begin the matters as they go. Yes, if you want join and watch us live inside studio, yes, that is We Crusaders plus road safety. Yes, the talk man for road safety. Yes, he don't carry enter inside studio to join us this morning. Yeah, so on a fit follow, like wetin we dey do, drop on a comments for inside our Facebook or for WhatsApp or for text message. Then we go dey carry the matters as them they come and as they hot, one by each. Make on no vex say we dey enter studio small behind the schedule. Na sake of say as we enter studio this morning, we can see group of youth we carry placard, then they wait for us here and we need to address them before we enter inside studio. All those ones we now go get the update as the program they progress. But meanwhile for inside the Facebook, our name na Crusaders Radio. But una know say as usual, no be only me one the day inside the building. Me and my barrister lawyer Max, aka Gadson, inside the studio.
Good morning, Chief.
Good morning this morning.
Thank God, now Friday.
TGNF. And on a Friday, we did direct all those directions, enter inside the use of road and the proper using of road. That is why the talk man, Oga Igigogo, they inside the studio with us in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Chief Crusader. Thank God, now Friday.
TGNF. I like that one.
Good morning, the motoring public, the road users. Very good morning.
The motoring public.
Motoring public, yes.
Anyway, make we enter matters straight and direct, matters where concern road and the road users this morning. Okay, you go. Once again, I say welcome and thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now, make we educate our people small on top the usage of road. You get wetin we don't talk before, where people we still dey observe say dem not dey understand all those things. Now, sign on top road, all the inscriptions and all the markings where they on top road, people still not dey observe them. Even though traffic light on, they don't begin to observe small. I surprised this week, improvement today past last week, and it means say the work where we they do, they go unnoticed. Sake of say even keke don't they stop for traffic lights now. Yesterday, day before yesterday, those police were there for that special task force on traffic matter. They're not there for road, but even though they're not there, everybody they kept himself and they stay. But you get things where then they do when not they correct. So I think it would be important make we educate them on top all of those signs where they be on top our road.
Chief Crusader, barrister lawyer, and Gaxi. Actually, there are signs that road users are supposed to know, especially as it regards to regulatory signs and then we also have warning signs, signs that warn you that you should never and ever go against a particular sign. And then we also have regulatory signs. So if you are talking of regulatory signs which are prohibitory, it's totally prohibited. You are not supposed to go against that particular signs. And then if you are talking of these regulatory signs that are specifically prohibited, such as stop sign. By the time you see a stop sign, it's more or less like a circle. It has about you usually see them at intersections. You see it being marked, being placed in a particular place where you now be told not to go ahead or not to violate that particular sign. So if you see that particular sign, it's usually the background is usually red. Then, yes, the background, then the background is usually red, and then the stop marking, or let me say inscription, will be made on top of that particular cycle. By the time you see STOP on that particular sign, then you should be aware that yes, this is a sign that says you should stop, no movement, and you must stop.
What if any motor no dey for road, that sign dey for there, the sign not dey change, na paint them paint them. If you just see the sign, make we just match brake stop.
The sign says there was something that's either dangerous on the road, yes, that you are not supposed to follow, or you are not supposed to adhere to. So it is something that by the time you see it, then there was something that is where they for ground, where talk say yes, may you know do anything will go affect your life. So you could just see and say you could just dey there, can't be you put them for the ground. By the time you see them, you don't see there's something that will affect your life.
But that one, if you see them from middle of road, and be for side of road.
No, you don't go see them from middle.
If get the one you see for middle of road, and then go put stop, that means you don't fit pass the line again.
Maybe that construction they do something where you say you must stop and wait, or maybe say you go. There are diversions that will tell you yes, this diversion, you stop there to take another diversion because of maybe construction of road or something that will affect your life. So by the time you see that particular sign, it tells you that yes, it's prohibitory, you are not allowed to go ahead.
Okay, but the one where they for side of road, where they for like middle of road, where they show you go see the stop sign. If you reach there and no motor they pass, the road they clear, but then put stop sign for there, you go just match brake stop for middle of road. Maybe you go check. Then
you go check now. What I'm saying is that by the time you see a stop sign on the road, then there must be something.
Where there's
what that warrant you to stop, so you must stop, and it is for your own safety.
And then for some road, you go see that we don't talk about this thing before we could talk again because it affect our road users. You go see what they call a roundabout. Don't be roundabout, U-turn. If you see that place where U-turn dey, you go come see you where they upside down. They can't carry line cross am inside the middle.
Yes.
That one not be sign say make you not do U-turn for there.
That sign safe there for this men there all this traffic light.
Medical
even that Emias Palace Junction, you go see no U-turn. As we describe and you really describe it very, very well. Because upside down, you upside down. Then come put red this asterisk on top, cross am. That means no U-turn. Because if you do U-turn, there's going to be a problem because of the traffic flow that is coming from the other side, from the opposite direction. So you are expected to go straight and then make a U-turn where you are expected to make a U-turn.
When you see inverted U, when no get cross on top.
When they just cross on top.
But people see the turn for the U-turn where they cross on top.
That is why we dey talk. Then they talk. And sometimes you go see people where they control traffic for that, then go still they encourage people to the turn for that way.
If now you turn, you want turn.
They go say make you come, do you turn, and they sign there for that place where talk say no you turn.
Especially that top medical junction.
Yeah, it's part of the education that we are doing now, so that they will know that when they see such a sign, which is also prohibitory, you must not do it. If you are found on that particular offense, then of course you'll be penalized. So you are advised to just go straight and then look for where you are directed to make that lawful U-turn. Let me use this one, lawful U-turn. Lawful U-turn. Then you can now make your U-turn and then continue with your journey.
Okay. Now you get other markings where they on top road as well, where people they see and when they observe. Like if you go on top road, you go see some thick white line for junction where cross from the beginning to the end of the road, white like that.
Zebra crossing.
Zebra crossing. That one now, people when they see that one, what are they supposed to do?
When they see that one are for us where they walk out with leg. This time, you know, say you do one dangerous overwalking. So if you see those kind of markings on top of the road, it means that this markings is meant for those that walk with their legs. Pedestrians now, we call them pedestrians. That's our language now for road. So those markings are meant for pedestrians. So you will be driver. The Lord say, no, you wait to check whether
a person they cross.
Person they cross.
Person one cross.
Person one cross. You must wait to see. By the time you reach that edge of that particular marking, you are expected to stop at that particular edge.
The edge of that marking.
Yes.
You go stop before because now we go see people park on top that marking. They go stop on top the marking, and then they stop.
And the problem we're having is that despite the series of education that we usually do on the drivers, because it's unlawful for them to cross unless if they are sure that no any pedestrian that is crossing. And you pedestrian no claim right, say because of knowledge now, no claim right saying that right, say say the vehicle must stop for me, now my chance with this to work. So you must also have to be very careful because of the way we are now. You must have to be careful to ensure that vehicle actually stop for you. Or maybe if you are certain that there are no any vehicle, then you can now walk over the markings and then cross over.
Okay. Now another thing where they cause all this is where people know the green land, no matter of enforcement, no matter to penalize people where they commit this offense. We will never see where they penalize anybody or here see anybody don't play penalty for that.
If you do an dangerous driving now, because you are expected to stop. And you did not stop. If anything happened that particular time, if an accident happened, then it's a dangerous driving that you did as a driver. And then of course, dangerous driving is it's 50,000.
Sorry, I like that one. 50,000. And then go psychiatric hospital.
Yeah, of course.
Now, if people are here very well, if road safety catch you now or catch you where they here now, for dangerous driving, for breaking any of the traffic rules where they on top road, if they catch you, you go psychiatric hospital, make them go check whether you normal or not. And you don't know how when they go carry you go psychiatric, whether you go come out.
Automatically you're not normal.
Meanwhile, this morning we tell us say we enter studio and we start program late now because some youth then carry them matter come on top issues from Kurebe, and they then carry placard come where carry many different inscriptions. But you know the most important thing is say make peace reign and make it reign supreme. We don't talk to them, we don't speak to this morning, me and the public relations officer for the Nigerian police, we don't talk to this morning, and those people then will go make it them calm their nerves down. This work is not easy. Now, small by small, but any which how like public complaint will take on slowly but surely. And for issue of security, the government they not they carry and take play again. Even governor, you don't talk on top the matter. And as we talk and say, the voice of the people, now the voice of God. Mr. Governor, the actions one they take, we thank you very much. But make una intensify them, make una continue to ensure our security and safety. So, Barrister Lawyer, those people this morning, you go escort them, make una go see the PPRO, and then make them address their matter. Sake of say they done the last time we'll go there, they respond immediately, then take action, then go there, now to follow up with them, and then Nigerian police una well done for the work and the way una they take respond to our matter inside accordingly.
The Crusaders, giving humanity a voice.